Good day, everyone. How you doing? It is very pleased to see you again into another video, and welcome back to our channel. I hope you guys have a productive day, and let's get started and start practice with the one of the interesting effect on a CapCut. So, have you ever watched, guys, the zoom in, zoom out in the certain video like this? I'll show you the example.
Money's the motivation.
That was the zoom in effect, and this is the zoom out effect. Have you ever wondered how to do that? So in this video I will show you how, and let's get into it. So I will close from my previous project and let's get into or open the new project. And always don't forget to install the CapCut first, and you can also do the editing from your device rather than in the laptop or the smartphone. I will click the new project and I will choose two videos from my device here and just click add until it will direct you into the blank page to do the project here. And after that, after these two videos appeared here, you can start it off by, let's say I will mute the entire clip, and also I will remove the watermark on the last clip. And let's say I will start off to create the zoom in effect. So kindly pay attention very detailed because the menu is in the little button. So the first clip, you can click it and you will see the button here, this here. After you click it, you will see the red arrow on the left corner. And after that, let's say you would like to create the and end up the zoom in effect in the duration of 1 and 30 seconds, and I will click this button again, and let's say I will click the graph to make it or to make sure or ensure that the zoom in effect can run smoothly. Kindly choose to the right or scroll to the right and click flow to and apply it. After that, you can go into the first second of the video and you can start off to minimize the look of this video. Hold it by your two finger until it creates a small rectangle, and let's get try. There you go. This is the look of the zoom in effect in this video. And what if I would like to create the zoom out? Then you can go into the second video or the second clip. The step is also the same way but a little bit different. As usual, you can start it off from the very last of the clip. It's on the duration of 9 seconds, and you click this plus and rectangle after, and you can see the red arrow. And let's say you would like to start off the zoom out effect from this second of 8, and then you can click plus here again. And after that, don't forget to click the graph again, and you can scroll it to the left, and choose the flow to ensure that the transition of the zoom out effect can go or can run smoothly. And I will go to this red square and I would try to, I'm sorry, you try here, and I will minimize this screen. Hold it by your two finger again until the maximum look of the zoom out effect. And let's try the result. There you go. What if we would like to see the entire result of these two clips? One, two, three. That's all, guys. I hope you can try this by your device and let us know if this step also work for you. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe this channel if you would like to know and watch another video tutorial of ours. I'll see you in another video and thank you for watching. Bye bye.